Selecting contiguous group of cells. We can select the contiguous cell by using two methods. Using name box. Click on the name box. Type the cell address of the starting cell and ending cell separated by a colon. Press Enter key to select the cell. Using drag and drop method. Place the cursor in the starting cell. Hold the left mouse button and drag the mouse over the areas which you want to be selected. To select non-contiguous cells, place the cursor on any cell. Press the left mouse button. While holding down the Control key and left mouse button, move mouse from starting cell to ending cell. Holding down the Control key enables one to select non-contiguous areas of the worksheet. Perform the desired operation.